Hi friends, today I'm gonna show you how to make these beautiful 3D leaves in super easy way. So let's start. So for this size, cast on 19 stitches using single strand of yarn, and if you want larger or smaller size, then cast accordingly or number of stitches. Here we have cast on 19 stitches, raw one right side. Purl 9 stitches, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yarn back, slip 1 stitch, yarn in front, purl 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Raw to wrong side, knit 9 stitches, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Purl the middle stitch, yarn back, knit 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now raw 3. Here we have to increase 1 stitch right in the beginning by knitting first stitch from front and back loop, just like this. Then knit 7 stitches, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Knit 3 stitches together, slip 2 and knit with the third stitch through back loop. Knit 7 stitches, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Increase 1 stitch by pulling this loop and knitting it, knit the last stitch. Here we have completed the third row. Row 4th, purl all the stitches. We have 19 stitches on a needle. Purl all. So we have done 4 rows and repeat these 4 rows 3 more times. Let me show you once again. Purl 9, 1, 2. It's the first row, we are repeating on row 5th. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yarn back, slip 1, yarn in front, purl 9. So repeat these last 4 rows 3 more times till row 12. So friends, here we have completed our 12 rows and having 19 stitches on a needle. Now row 13 again, just like row 1, purl 9, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Yarn back, slip 1, yarn in front, purl 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now row 14, knit 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, purl 1, knit 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Now row 15. We have to decrease the stitches now. So here we go. Row 15. Knit 8 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And take this 9th stitch along with this middle one and knit it with the next stitch, making knit 3 together, just like this. Now knit the remaining stitches without increasing in this row, but decreased 2. So we are having 17 stitches on our needle right now. And now row 16, purl all the 17 stitches in this row. Purl all. Row 17, purl 8 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yarn back, slip 1, yarn in front, purl 8 stitches. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Row 18. The 8 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Purl 1. Knit remaining 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Now row 19, knit 7 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Knit 3 together. Knit remaining 7 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now it's 28th row and we have to purl all the 15 stitches. Now we have 15 stitches on our needle. Purl all of them. Purl all. Row 21. Purl 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yarn backward. Slip 1, yarn forward, purl remaining 7. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So we are gaining the shape. Row 22, knit 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Purl 1, knit remaining 7. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Row 23, knit 6 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Knit 3 together. Knit remaining 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Row 24. Purl all the 13 stitches. Purl all. Now row 25. Purl 6 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yarn back, slip 1 yarn in front, purl remaining 6. 3, 4, 5 and 6. Row 26. Knit 6, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Purl 1, knit 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Row 27. Knit 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Knit 3 together. Knit 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Row 28. Purl all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. So we have 11 stitches on our needle. Row 29. Purl 4 stitches only. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then knit 3 stitches together to make 1 and purl remaining 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Row 30. Knit 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Purl 1. Knit 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Row 31st. Knit 3 stitches. 1, 2, 3. Knit 3 together. Knit 3 stitches. 1, 2, 3. Row 32. Purl all the 7 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Row 33. Purl 2 stitches. Knit 3 stitches together. Purl 2. 1 and 2. In this row, knit 2 stitches, yarn in front, slip 1, yarn back, knit 2 stitches. Now knit 1, knit 3 together, again knit 1 and make 1 stitch out of these 3 stitches by just taking back these stitches onto this left needle Now slip 2 stitches, twist them and knit along with the third stitch to make one, just like this. So here it is done. Now cut the yarn and weave in the yarn ends neatly. So it's all done. See you in the next video. Till then, take care.